Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this Star Snail in Fish Eat Roblox. So the Star Snail is a legendary and beautiful creature in Crystal Depths, and it is one of the most unique additions to the game. And here I'm going to show you the exact time, the exact location, and the celestial bead combo that you need to get the snail. So for the time, actually I got it while I fish in the storm weather, and also the time, I don't know if it's specific, but I got it at night. And for the location, I got it while I fish in this location at the top of this crystal right here. As you guys can see, there's other player playing at the top of the crystal now, so I got it from this exact location. And I'm using element rods with singularity bait as the gear. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.